Hello, here we are in the heart of Bethany for Riverside's newest community, 40 homes. This is Deer Fern. Let's go.
In one of Portland's most promising corridors, your new construction opportunity is here. Every detail, from the layout to the finishes, prioritizes livability and long-term value. Welcome to 12949 Northwest Ramona Lane, an intelligently designed single-family home underway. Still in the build phase, this is your chance to select finishes or adjust design elements. Set in Northwest Portland, close to major employers, trails, and top-rated schools. Tour this weekend and discover what's possible when the process starts with you.
Call me, text me for your opportunity to make one of these beauties in the heart of Bethany your own.